somebody asked about a tutorial on my lippy, so I just wanted to share that. Trying to get back into my tutorials if I can. I need to get my YouTube back popping and stuff, so I'm about to try to work on it, y'all. My brown liner that I use for this is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the color Coffee. I used a concealer also on the inner part of my lip to pick up the color better. Right now you can see I just have on a lip balm and I got some highlighter up there. And then my colors, I used two different ones if I remember correctly. I used the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the colors London and Stockholm. So that's where we at. Let's get into it. So I start off with my brown concealer. Just pat it, and I want to make sure you want to get your full lip. I won't be looking crazy, so make sure you get all the edge so it's really your whole lip and you're not looking crazy. I'm a little extra, y'all. I'm sure everybody knows that about me by now. Perfection is important. Don't always get it, but I try. I didn't even plan on doing that lip. I just wanted to try something new. And I was like, let me do this. Because I've seen it. I just hadn't tried it. Okay, and because I am doing most of my lip in brown, I make it like my lipstick basically, almost everywhere. There we have that. Now I'm gonna go in with that white concealer that I showed you. After I fix this, because it's driving me crazy. Color Camo. It's the Camo Concealer, sorry. In the color Fair Rose. And it's by e.l.f. It's not very expensive. Clean brush. So I start in the center and just pat. And then I took it and went up here. I want to create the line that I wanted. Looks crazy, right? I know. I was like, ew. You create what you want. Got concealer where I don't want it in my mouth. It's gross. Here we go. Some color. I'm gonna do Stockholm. I don't think I'm gonna do both today. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. You just put it in the area where the lighter concealer is. And then you just pat And it kind of ombres there. If you want to, you can take your little brown and blend it yourself if you don't think it's working. That leftover brown concealer. And you can just ombre it yourself. But that's yesterday's lippy. What do you think? Try it at home. Get cute with me. Thanks for watching.